Picture this. You're floating in the emptiness of space, staring at a black hole. As you drift closer, something impossible happens. Time begins to slow down. Your watch ticks slower. Your heartbeat drags. If you could look back at Earth, you'd see people moving in fast forward, LEDs flashing by in seconds. This isn't science fiction, it's real. Einstein proved it over a century ago. Time is not fixed. It bends, stretches, and warps depending on where you are and how fast you're moving. And that's just the beginning of how strange space and time really are. Take the speed of light, for example. It's the universe's ultimate speed limit. Nothing can go faster. But here's the catch. Light doesn't just move at a constant speed. It actually changes the way time works around it. If you could ride a beam of light, time would stop completely for you. Meanwhile, back on Earth, centuries would pass in the blink of an eye. Astronauts on the International Space Station experience a tiny version of this. After 6 months in orbit, moving at 17,500 miles per hour, they come back just a fraction of a second younger than if they'd stayed on Earth. Imagine traveling near light speed for years. You could return to find everyone you knew long gone, while you barely aged. But the universe doesn't just play tricks with time, it's also stretching space itself. Scientists discovered in the 1990s that the expansion of the universe isn't slowing down, it's speeding up. Galaxies are flying away from each other faster and faster, driven by a mysterious force called dark energy. If this keeps up, trillions of years from now, distant galaxies will vanish from sight entirely. Their light will never reach us again, leaving future astronomers with a night sky that's almost empty. They might never even know there was once a universe filled with stars beyond our own Milky Way. Then there are black holes, cosmic monsters, where the laws of physics break down. If you fell into one, time would slow to a crawl for anyone watching you. From their perspective, you'd freeze at the edge, never quite crossing over, while from your point of view, you'd be ripped apart by gravity in a process called spaghettification. And at the very center, a singularity, a point of infinite density, where space and time cease to exist as we know them. Some theories even suggest black holes could be gateways to other universes or dimensions, though no one knows for sure. Speaking of beginnings, let's talk about the Big Bang. It wasn't just an explosion in space, it was the birth of space and time themselves. There was no before the Big Bang because time didn't exist yet. Trying to imagine what came before is like asking what's north of the North Pole. The entire universe burst into existence from a single, infinitely dense point, and we're still riding that expansion like a cosmic wave 13.8 billion years later. But the weirdness doesn't stop there. At the smallest scales, particles defy logic. They can be into places at once, vanish and reappear, and even communicate instantly across vast distances through quantum entanglement. Empty space isn't really empty, it's a seething ocean of virtual particles popping in and out of existence. Some scientists think there might be hidden dimensions curled up too small for us to see, or even parallel universes where every possible version of reality exists. And here's something that might make you question reality. When you look at the stars, you're not seeing them as they are now, but as they were years, centuries, or even millennia ago. The light from the Andromeda Galaxy took 2.5 million years to reach us, meaning we're seeing it as it was when early humans were just learning to use stone tools. The night sky is a vast time machine, showing us snapshots of the past. Some of the stars you see tonight might already be dead, their light still traveling across the cosmos long after they burned out. But perhaps the strangest idea of all is that time might not even be real, at least not in the way we think. Some physicists believe time is an illusion, a side effect of how we perceive the universe. At the deepest level, everything might just be a series of frozen moments, like frames in a movie, with no actual flow of time. So the next time you feel like life is predictable, remember, the universe is far weirder than we can imagine. Time bends, space stretches, black holes warp reality, and the cosmos is full of mysteries we've only begun to uncover. Who knows what other mind-blowing discoveries are waiting just beyond our understanding? If this journey through space and time left you stunned, press the bell icon because the universe isn't done surprising us yet. Keep looking up and stay curious. The greatest mysteries are still out there, waiting to be solved.
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.